Hi and welcome to Motorcycles UK. Today I'd like to show you a short video on this absolutely fantastic Honda CRF450L. Here we have a Honda CRF450L. This is a 2018 bike on a 68 plate with just 542 miles. This bike is in excellent condition and as far as we can tell it's never even seen mud or rain. It really is in superb nick, this bike. In the traditional Honda motocross colours of red and white. You've got the service handguards there, and there's no scrapes, scratches, dings or dents on those at all. It really is in great condition. There's no corrosion anywhere on the bike at all. Absolutely nothing to apologise for. We will be supplying the official Honda power-up kit for this bike as well. The rear tyre there, loads of life left on that, as you'd expect for just 542 miles. Standard exhaust on this one as well. Obviously fully road legal, but an absolutely brilliant bike if you want to do a bit of green laning. So this one hasn't seemingly been used for that. It's in fantastic condition. All your spokes there, clean as a whistle. No marks on those fork protectors. Likewise the forks, there's no corrosion, dings, dents, stone chips or anything on those. And the front of the bike also. LED lighting on this one as well. The front mudguard is unmarked and you've got loads of life left in the front tyre there. Disc shroud there, that's all tickety-boo as well, and the fork protector there. On that left-hand side of the bike, it's an absolute peach, this bike. It really is a really lovely, clean, tidy example. If you're looking for a new one of these, well, save yourself some money and go for this one instead. As I said, we are including the power-up kit with this bike. The service bar end on there, or the handguard there, again, no marks on that one, or the mirror. All your plastics here, they're all unmarked as well. And the seat, there's no rips, tears or discoloration in there either. And that rear mudguard there, that's all in great condition as well. Likewise, that side panel, your chain sprockets, again, loads of life left in those as you would expect. And your engine cases, foot pegs, and the engine itself, all absolutely unmarked. It really is a lovely example. I'm just going to get in here and show you in amongst the rear shock there as well, just to show there's no corrosion in there either. It's an absolute beauty, this. So if you're looking for a motocross style bike, you want to do a bit of green laning, or you just want something to nip through town to get to work on, then this could very well be the bike for you. So here at Motorcycles UK, all our bikes come with the current MOT, a service if required by the motorcycle at time of sale, and a thorough safety inspection. We're also delighted to be able to offer nationwide delivery. Please contact us for a quote. If you're interested in this brilliant CRF450, then please do get in touch, either by phone or via the website. We're delighted to take your inquiry. If you've enjoyed this video, please remember to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We'd really appreciate that. Thanks for watching and we'll see you soon.